These festive Easter cookies are soft and buttery with hints of vanilla, topped with whipped chocolate ganache and mini eggs. Gorgeous on the plate and quick to disappear, these springtime treats are extra special. Welcome to Sweets and Treats channel, my name is Annie and let's get started. First let's make white chocolate ganache. For that we will need white chocolate, cold heavy cream and very hot heavy cream. Melt the chocolate using microwave safe bowl and microwave it in 30 seconds intervals, stirring after one another. You can also use a steam bath to melt the chocolate. Place melted chocolate into a spare bowl, add very hot heavy cream and blend it with hand blender. Add cold heavy cream and blend it again. Cover the bowl with clear wrap and refrigerate it for minimum 8 hours, better overnight. Now let's make a cookie dough. We will need all-purpose flour, sugar, unsalted butter, eggs and vanilla extract or vanilla sugar. In a mixing bowl add flour, sugar, chilled butter and vanilla sugar. If you're using vanilla extract, don't add it on this step. Rub butter into flour. You can do it with your arms or you can use stand mixer with spatula attachment. Add one large egg and form the dough. If you're using vanilla extract, add it now. Cover the dough with clear wrap and place it in the fridge for 2 hours. Roll each dough out evenly to 5 mm thick. Punch out rounds with a cookie cutter, placing them about 2–3 cm apart on prepared baking tray. Bake cookies for 12 to 14 minutes in preheated oven to 180 degrees until edges are beginning to turn golden. When the ganache is firm but still soft, transfer it to a mixing bowl and whip it on high speed until fluffy, about 3 to 4 minutes. Cool cookies completely before serving. I'm using large open star piping nozzle to make this beautiful chocolate ganache decoration on cookies. Then dip it in pistachio powder. Do the same with all cookies. Place mini eggs on top. And enjoy every bite of it.